Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the price chart of Moderna Inc, and this is the daily chart what you can see on your screen, and this chart has given a superb bounce, or I would say uptrend, since the second half of 2019, and to be precise, if you calculate the returns, it has already given you 1000% worth of return in a span of a year. Now I'm going to do some trend analysis on it, and we will see how the trend is looking like. But here I will use I would say a freehand kind of trend analysis rather than standard one. So let's see how it works out, and I hope you will learn something out of it meanwhile. So first of all, I'll move to the line chart, and as you can see here, this line, okay, this line here is working as a resistance line, or was working as a resistance line, and $28.79, and since after its breakout the stock has moving higher. Okay, this is very clear. Now this was the support, this was the support line for this pattern. Okay, now as the trend changes, as you can see here, now there is a very sharp up move after the breakout. Okay, now after that you will see that the stock price has made some moves like this. Now here we have, okay, also it has taken support over here, okay, twice, and you will see here that the price again changed its trend like this, right? And on the upside you will see there are two towers, and if I join a line like this, you will see that the stock is actually taking support at the current price. Okay, so now this line, which was the resistance line, now currently working as a support line. So this is where the things come. Lots of people will ask how it is working like this, or is it a fluke for a time being for this time? But it happens almost every time. You will find that the stock price and the support and resistance level are almost very statistical. You can calculate it by numbers and by lines, or support and resistance line. Now I will go back to the candlestick chart, and you will see most of the things are in line. Obviously you need to readjust some of the things a bit. Now what about the trend? As you can see, 137 is the support line, okay, at which the current price is residing. Now if the stock breaks down below 137, there is a probability of 78 or $79 as well. Okay, and you have to look at this kind of movements, and you have to compare it with the returns that the stock has given to you. So that's the thing, that's the first and most important thing you need to understand here. Okay, in any kind of breakdown situation, you will see that the stock may go down or may fall sharper, but there is a support level before 78 as well. Okay, now below 137 you have 113, and below 113 you have 78. So this is how you can divide your risk. Now if the stock sustain at or above 137 as it has been right now, then we will look at a target which will be in between 250 and 367 in the upcoming weeks as well as in the upcoming months. Okay, now this will take time. Do not ask that how and when will it happen. And for this, okay, for the stock to reach 252 or in between 252 and 367, the criteria is it must cross $182, which was the recent high, and sustain above that. Okay, so if the stock sustain above $137, the next target will be 182, 183. If the stock sustain above 183 and makes a breakout and sustain above 183, then we will have a target which will be in between 252 and 367. But on the downside, you will have your first support at 113, then you will have 78, and I would say 55 as well. So these are your risk zones, and the stock is currently residing at the support level. So in terms of risk reward, it could be a good one, but if it falls on the another end, or if it would fall down, then you need to take care about all these support levels, or you need to know where your stock is or will probably move. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.